If you don't like boring dinners but still want something easy, then this garlic shrimp recipe is your new best friend. In just minutes, you'll have juicy shrimp coated in rich, buttery garlic sauce. Ready to make your kitchen smell amazing? Let's get cooking.
Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good day. My name is Nicolas Chao Martin. We are going to cook shrimp in a garlic sauce recipe. Let's go and enjoy the process in this recipe about shrimps with garlic sauce. Welcome and let's go to make this recipe. The first part is the ingredient. To make a mold watery shrimp in garlic sauce, you will need the following ingredients. The number 1 pound of shrimps, peeled and deveined, like those ones. The next ingredients are 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of butter, okay? 3 tablespoons of olive oil, okay? Of olive oil. 6 garlic cloves, finely chopped. Another are 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The next one is a teaspoon of salt, a half spoon of black pepper, and the last one, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Those are the ingredients. The next steps are preparing. First step is wash the shrimps. Okay, wash the shrimps thoroughly and pat them dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Okay. And number 2, season the shrimp with salt and black pepper. Okay, with salt and black pepper, ensuring they are evenly coated like this. Okay. Heat the butter and olive in a large skillet over medium heat. Okay. Wait a minute. I turn on the stove. Minute, like this one. Okay. And heat it the butter and olive. Add the butter in the hot pan, like this one. Add the oil. And remove a mix of those ingredients like butter and olive oil. Check, the smell is really fantastic. It's really amazing. My God, this is the best cook I had ever. Wait a minute. The next step is salt the garlic in the heated skillet or the hot pan. Turn golden brown, which should take about 1 minute. Be sure to stir constantly to prevent burning. Okay, add the salted garlic. This is the part with the garlic. It's very amazing, so amazing. And please remove to 1 minute, to 0 to 1 minute. Remove. Okay. Oh, the smell is tasty, my friend. The smell is really good. It's really good for our mind. This is delicious. Let me show you what is the meaning of this part. Okay, let me show you. And wait. The fire is not normal fire. It's a medium fire. Okay. If the garlic turned gold, we will we will be in the next step. Wait, hold 1 minute, okay? Remove. The next step is add the shrimp to the skillet or the hot pan, and remove for a long and stay there for 3 minutes. And 3 minutes. Remember, you look the shrimp turn into the pink, and this is the better way to see the shrimp with a garlic sauce. That's very tasty. Please look this part, my friend. Look, this part is really amazing. The shrimp will turn a pink. Wait 1, 2, 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. It's very perfect to 2 to 3 minutes to cook this shrimp with the garlic. Mix up the shrimp with the garlic, with the olive oil, with the butter. All of those ingredients. It's very perfect to season the shrimp. And hold 1 more minute and put another ingredients. Okay. Okay. Now look the color pink. It's very tasty. Like what is that delicious. Now the next ingredient, put in the lemon juice, strain the well coat and the shrimp with the flavor sauce. Okay, put the lemon in the shrimp. 1, 2. Okay, wherever. Woohoo! It's very tasty. Put the lemon, please. Put the lemon juice. Wait 1 minute more and put the next ingredient. Okay. Let's see my shrimp with garlic. The smell is really good. The smell is really fantastic. Okay. Now the next step and the last one is sprinkle with the parsley for a fresh and aromatic finishing, and turn off the heat. Please turn off the heat right now. Wait, mix up with the parsley and turn off the heat. Okay. Wow, it's really fantastic, man. It's very more parsley. God, this is my recipe. Okay, this is my recipe. You know, my recipe is really fantastic for me. This is the part when you turn off the head, and this is all today. Thank you to you. Turn off the oven like this one. Okay, turn off the oven. Okay, let me try the serve. Okay, this is the final. Serve the shrimp hot alongside your choice, or rice or white tortillas like Mexican tortillas, or at the topos. Serve the shrimp, please. Serve the shrimp in a dish. Enjoy your delicious shrimp in a garlic sauce like this, like me. Okay, it's very hot right now. It's a delicious. Wait, turn off the. This part is the very important for me. This is my recipe. Garlic with shrimps with garlic. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your meal. Goodbye. See you soon. Catch you later.